Hello everyone, I am Vaim Ansari, Assistant Professor at RP Institute of Pharmacy at RPIIT campus, Bastara, Karnal. In the previous lecture we will discuss about the various type of liquid dosage forms. Firstly, there is a category of monophasic dosage form and biphasic dosage form. In this category, in this video, we will discuss about the various type of oral monophasic dosage forms. The following are the dosage forms of orally use: draughts, drops, linctuses, syrups, elixirs and mixtures. Firstly, what is draughts? Draughts is a simple solution mixture which contains a single dose. Each dose is sent in a separate bottle. Total volume is maximum up to 50 ml. It is essential to be labeled with storage condition on a draughts. It is given very early expiry date, about 48 hours. Some of the examples of draughts are ipecacuanha emetic draughts, BPC, or paraldehyde draughts. They may be oxidized to acetic acid and cause death. Do not use if the solution is discolored. The main property of draughts is they are very clear solution, and they used for very short time of periods, and these are dispensed in a single dose. There is a difference between mixture and draughts is only that mixture is dispensed in a multi-dose form, while the draught is in a single dosage form. Next is drop. Some drops are mainly for the children's. They are for the vitamins and antibiotics formulation for pediatric purpose. It is not meant for very high quantity of dose. Where the medicine requirement is high, the drops is not recommended. Drops are dispensed in a bottle with a dropper. It contains potent drugs, so dose is measured preciously because a instrument or a dropper is given with the formulation to measure it. Next is the linctuses. Linctuses are the very viscous liquid oral preparations, and that are generally used for the cough, to relieve the cough. Consistent of simple solution of active agent is high concentration is sucrose. They are very sweet in nature. Vehicle is always a syrup, and sometimes they may contain glycerin for sweetening taste and soothing effect of mucous membrane, and they can be taken without dilution and sipped slowly to prolonged action of drug. So the drugs or the active medicament is spread throughout the buccal cavity, where is it relieves the coughs. Some of the examples of linctuses are codeine linctus, dimorphin linctus, linctus compound, or tolu linctuses. There are how the linctuses are formulated. First is the vehicle, second is additives. There is two part of any formulation. First is vehicle additives, and third is the main part is the API, active pharmaceutical ingredient. Active pharmaceutical ingredient is a drug, and while the vehicle may be used in the linctuses are syrup and other type of syrup or various type of medicated syrups or aromatic syrups can be used. Second is additives. It also provides aromatic odor and flavor. It has also mild expectorant texture, high concentration of sucrose. Solution tends to be crystallized or stored at constant temperature. Due to very high solid and low water content, dissolution of medicament is slow. Sometimes the glycerin is also used. Next, what are the additives used in the linctuses? Chemical stabilizers can be added, and coloring agents and can be added for coloring purpose. Some of the colors are used: coal tar for black currant color, or tartrazine solution, or ponchu-4R for red color, and flavoring agents. Syrup also acts as a flavoring agent, but some fruit flavors can be added. Some of the lemon flavor, strawberry flavor, and flavor and colors can be used in the ratio. If red color is used, then the flavor may be strawberry. Preservatives. Syrups acts as a preservative due to high osmotic pressure. There is inhibit the growth of microorganisms, but some of the preservatives are benzoic acid, cinnamic acids, and other. Next is the syrups. It is concentrated aqueous solution of sucrose mixed with this, water solution of medicament and other additives. Generally, syrup is prepared by sucrose but is partially replaced by dextrose or other polyhydric alcohols to reduce the crystalline of sucrose or to increase solubility of medicaments and other additives. These contains about 85% of sugar. The syrups are of two type: non-medicated syrup and medicated syrup. Non-medicated syrups are used for the purpose of other formulations, base of other formulation like in linctus and medicated syrup. In this lecture, this is the rest we will discuss in other lecture.